Hello, my name is Glory, and I'll be your instructor for this Canva course. I want to start by saying something important. You don't need to know anything before this lesson. You don't need to be good at design. You don't need to be fast. This course was created for beginners, people who want to learn from the beginning, step by step, without pressure. I'll be guiding you through everything calmly and will build your confidence as we go. Before we open Canva, let me explain who this course is really for and what you'll be able to do by the end. This course is for you if you're just starting out. It's for people who feel slow when learning new tools. It's for people who see designs online and think, I wish I could do that, but don't know where to begin. You don't need experience nor talent, you just need patience. By the end of this course, you'll be able to open Canva and feel confident. You'll be able to create simple, clean designs for real life. Things like social media posts, CVs, and small projects people actually use. You won't rush. We'll build your skills one small step at a time. As we go through this course, I want you to remember one thing. You're not here to be perfect. You're here to learn. Now let's talk about Canva itself, what it is and what it is not. Canva is a design tool. It helps people make things look neat, clear, and easy to understand. I like to explain Canva in two simple ways. First, think of Canva like building blocks. The blocks are already made. You don't need to build them yourself. You just choose where to place them. Second, think of Canva like a coloring book. The shapes are already there. You only choose the colors and write the words. This is why Canva is great for beginners. You don't start from nothing. You start with help. As you listen, don't try to remember everything. Just understand this one thing. Canva is here to help you. Now that you know what Canva is, let me explain what Canva is not. Canva is not for very hard or complex designs. It is not the best tool for drawing very detailed pictures, and it is not for heavy photo editing. But that does not make Canva bad. A spoon is not bad because it's not a fork. They just do different jobs. Canva's job is to help you design quickly and clearly. When you understand this, you won't feel confused or frustrated. You will know what Canva is good at and when to use something else. Just remember this. You don't need Canva to do everything. You only need it to do the right things. Now let's talk about the two versions you might see inside Canva, free and pro. You might hear people talk about two versions of Canva, Canva free and Canva Pro. I want you to know something before we go any further. You do not need to worry about this right now. Canva free is enough to learn and to design real things. People create posts, flyers, and CVs using Canva free every day. Canva Pro, on the other hand, just gives extra tools, more pictures, more safe colors, some special features. Think of it like crayons. Free crayons still let you draw. Pro crayons just gives you more colors. Later in the course, when you understand Canva better, you can decide if you ever need Pro. For now, learning how Canva works is what matters most. Remember this. You don't need anything special to start learning Canva. We'll take care of the rest together. Now let's look at what people actually use Canva for in real life. People use Canva every day for real things. Businesses use it to create social media posts and flyers. People use it to design documents and CVs when applying for jobs. Some people even use Canva to create simple websites and portfolios to show their work. And the good thing is, all of this starts with simple steps, the same steps you learn in this course. As you look at these examples, notice which one feels useful to you. That's okay. You don't need to decide now. We'll touch many of them as we go. Canva cannot do everything. It is not the best tool for very complex drawings, and it's not meant for heavy photo editing. But that's okay. Every tool has a job. Canva's job is to help you create simple, clean designs quickly. When you understand what Canva is good at, you stop feeling stuck or frustrated. And when you need something more advanced one day, you know when to use a different tool. For now, Canva is more than enough to help you learn and create real designs. Just remember this: you don't need one tool to do everything, you only need the right tool for the job. Now that you understand Canva, let's create a free Canva account. Go to type in your search bar canva.com. When you search that URL, this interface opens up in your browser. I want you to look at the top right of your window. And you're going to notice that there are two buttons, one for sign up and login. We would have logged in if we already have a Canva account, but we don't, so we are going to click on sign up. These are the options that comes up for all the, let me quickly get this out of the way. So these are the options that you're going to see when you try to create an account or when you click on sign up. Any of them works. If you have a Google account, you can just click on continue with Google and it takes you straight to set up your account using Google. If you have a Facebook account, same. If you have, if you want to use a separate email, your work email, you can do same. If you want to continue with another way, you can do same. But I'm going to assume that we all have. Some of us have emails. Most of us have emails. So let's click on continue with email. But if you have a Google account, just click on continue with Google and this interface will show. And you have to automatically log in with your Google account. For the sake of this lesson, we are going to use the option for continue with email. You click on that, impute your email, click on continue, impute your name, and then you click on continue. A code is going to be sent to your email account. When you impute that code, you can click on continue. Let me quickly do that and we'll be back here. All right, so I have my code and I'm just going to paste that in and click on OK. And voila, you have a Canva free account. Next, you're going to see a survey that you're supposed to fill what is relevant for you. And you're now ready to go. Woo! So now it's your turn. I want you to create your free account and let me know how it goes. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.